Hello guys, so in this video we'll learn the rest of the Polish consonants, the consonants that are written the same as in English, but that are pronounced differently. Okay, so here are the consonants. We'll see how to pronounce these 5 consonants, the rest of the consonants you already know. So we'll start with the most difficult one, which is Polish r. It's not r, it's r. Okay, you have to roll up, you have to roll your tongue against your palate and keep rolling. R, r. That's a very difficult sound for English speakers, but you'll nail it. So an example. And an example could be rak, which means a crayfish. Okay, it means crayfish. Next one, we'll see another example of r, because it's a very difficult consonant. We'll see the word kara, which means kara. It's not kara, it's kara. Rak, it's not rak, it's rak. Kara, okay? Okay, we're done with this difficult letter. Now let's jump into Polish W. So W, Polish W is pronounced exactly the same as the English V. We can see an example. You can guess what it means. That's a Polish cognate. We talked about cognates in the previous video, and now you can see an example, another example of a cognate in Polish, okay? Which is wino. It means, yeah, you're right, it means wine. And you can see the difference. Sorry, yeah, it's correct. So you can see the difference. It's pronounced as if it was V, okay? So it's wine. Another example. So we're done with this letter. This one is pretty easy. The next one is easy too, which is Polish J, jot, okay? This one is pronounced as if it were an English Y. Like in example, ja means I, okay? So you can see that, for example, an English word of yes would be yes. This word would be transcribed by Polish, by me, as yes. We would write it with jot. That's how it sounds for us, okay? So another example of it, well, actually you'll see more examples of Polish jot later because it's quite simple. Now we'll see an example of Polish G. Okay, Polish G is, actually, I didn't lie to you, but I didn't say the whole truth. Actually, this sound is quite similar to what we have in English, but there's more to it in English. Like, for example, in English you can write green, or you can write jam, and you can see that the same letter is pronounced in 2 different ways. So there are at least 2, I would say that there are 2, as far as I know, 2 ways of pronouncing G in English, like G and like J, okay? But actually the Polish equivalent is always pronounced as G, so that's simple. So an example of G is gad, which means reptile. Okay, it means reptile. Gad. Okay. Another example. No, we'll jump into next letter because this one is quite simple too. So we'll see the letter t. Okay. Polish t is pronounced as if it were English diphthong, connection of 2 letters, a cluster of 2 letters, T plus Z, okay? So it's t. An example of it could be co, which means what? Okay? And it's pronounced as co. It's not to, be careful with the O. It's not with the Polish O, it's not O, okay? So it's co. Okay, so you already know 5 new letters, which I previously say were difficult. Beside this one, I guess they are not that difficult. Now we'll see more examples of these letters. So, and let's see how to write how. So this one means how. Jak, yak, okay? Another one, we'll see Yaiko, yaiko, yaiko. It's not yaiko, it's yaiko. You leave your mouth open, okay? Yaiko. Okay, another one. This one might be difficult because we, at first at least, at first glance, nacja means nation in Polish, okay? So it's pretty straightforward. You can actually see that there are tons of cognates in between Polish and English whose only difference is the ending, or one of the biggest differences is the ending. Like for example, cia, shin, nacja, nation, okay? Another example of this kind of, this type of cognate could be vibracja, which means, so you can see an example of the word with the new letter that you know. V is vibration. Vibration. Vibracja. Vibration. So you can see the difference. We use W to express the sound of English V. Vibracja. Vibracja. It's not vibracja, it's vibracja. Vibration, okay? And guys, that'll be it. In the next video, we will learn more about the letters from this scary red rectangle. So I hope you enjoyed it and that you learned something, and see you in the next video.